Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Khrystina. Today I will be showing you guys how I did a shadow root and how I toned my 613 bundles into the color that it is now. If you guys are interested in learning how to do a shadow root and toning your bundles, then go ahead and sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Alright you guys, so I'm starting off by putting a plastic bag on top of my wig making head. And then next I'm going to mix up my color. I have a True Color by Wella in the level 6 in. So that's level 6 and then a natural brown. And I believe I'm mixing in 10 developer because I don't want it to lift any, or you don't need it to lift any. 10 and down is just deposit. So that's all I'm doing is depositing color. And here I am taking thin sections and I am just applying it maybe half of an inch or maybe an inch from the lace down. And I'm taking thin sections because I want to work smarter and not harder. It's easier to just go ahead and saturate with thin sections versus trying to do thicker sections and then trying to work the color in there. So just go ahead and take your time, thin sections, and work your way through. I'm one of those colorists that like to keep their hands as clean as possible while I'm doing really intricate work. But when it comes to throwing on a toner, I don't care. It's really weird. And I'm also going to color just a little bit back those first couple tracks after my frontal. So that first track and then also the second track and then the corners, just in case those ever show. They will look like it's one consistent color all the way going back, at least at the roots. Alright, so now I'm just putting on the toner for the 613 bundles. And if I'm not mistaken, this was Wella True Color 10A. And I'm just putting it on the whole track, just making sure that it's covering and saturated as best as possible. I'm probably taking 3 or 4 tracks, smacking the toner on there, rubbing it in, and then moving on. For processing time for this, I waited about 30 minutes, I think. It wasn't really that long because I was just trying to deposit color. And when it came to the sections where it had some of the root color, I took my thumb and blended the colors together so that they will mesh well together. So they'll be nice and seamless. Alright you guys, so I did the ball cap with this method. It was my first time doing it, wasn't quite a fan of it. I may try and do it again. For my glue, I am using the Bold Hold glue, and I'm applying it with my makeup brush just on the back of my brush around my forehead. And then once the glue starts to dry a little bit, I just like to bring it down and then tap it with my finger into the lace. Now I'm just taking a wrap it and I'm wrapping it around my head just for a little bit more security to make sure that the glue in the wig are well laid down. And here I am taking it off, and I'm just gonna comb my wig out, and yeah, we're done. Alright guys, so this is the finished look right here. We have a shadow root, kind of like grown out look, and then I put the ashy blonde on the bottom. I kind of feel like it's a little bit more ashier than what I want it to be, so it's giving more of a gray vibe than a blonde vibe, but I'm hoping in the next couple of days that it will fade and then it will give more than a blonde vibe. You guys let me know what you see. Do you see more gray or do you see more blonde? But other than that, this is the finished look that we have going here. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you guys later.